Now this time, we are going to answer activity which is similar to the example shown on page 7 of your modules. So, finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So, let's have independent activity 1, letter A. So, independent activity 1A, on page 11 of your module. Okay. So, item number 1, we have a sub 1 is equal to 1 and the common difference is equal to 1. So, we are asked to find for the first 5 terms. Since a sub 1 is already given, we can now get the next 4 terms by adding the common difference, which is 1. So, the next is 2, and then plus 1 again. The next is 3, plus 1 again. The next is 4, then plus 1. The next is 5. So, the first 5 terms, therefore, are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, let's have item number 2. This time, a sub 1 is equal to 15, while the common difference is negative 3. So, we have 15 as the first term. We can now get the next 4 terms. If we add negative 3 to 15, we have 12 as the result. 12 plus negative 3 is 9. 9 plus negative 3 is 6. And 6 plus negative 3 is positive 3. So therefore, the first 5 terms are 15, 12, 9, 6, and 3. And then for letter B, of the same page, page 11 of your independent activity 1. So you have B, item number 1. We are asked to get the specified term. So when you say specified term, you need to get for the nth term using the formula that we discussed. So we have 2, 5, 8 up to the 8th term. So meaning we need to get a sub 8. A sub 8. Now, let's have the given. A sub 1 is equal to 2. And since n is equal to 8, we need to consider the 8 terms. And then the common difference can be found by subtracting 5 and 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. So D is equal to 3. So using the formula, A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference D. So you have A sub 8, since we are looking for the 8th term, so A sub 8 is equal to A sub 1 is 2 plus 8 minus 1 times the common difference 3. So you have A sub 8 is equal to 2 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 times 3. So you have A sub 8 is equal to 2 plus 7 times 3 is 21. And then 2 plus 21 is 23. So therefore, the 8th term is 23. Okay. Now let's move to item number 2. Item number 2. Still on page 11 of your module, letter B. So again, we need to find for the specified term or the nth term. So you have, this time, the given is 3, 5, 7 up to the 21st term. So clearly, we are looking for a sub 21. Now the given, a sub 1 is equal to 3. N is equal to 21. We need to consider the 21, these 21 terms. And then D, common difference, can be found by subtracting 5 and 3. So you have 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So that is the common difference. Now using the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. We have a sub 21 is equal to 3 plus 21 minus 1 times 2. So you have a sub 21 is equal to 3 plus 21 minus 1 is 20 times 2. Using the m-dash rule, we have a sub 21 is equal to 3 plus 20 times 2 is 40. 3 plus 40 is equal to 43. So therefore, the 21st term is 43. Now this time, we are going to discuss independent assessment. So you have independent assessment 1. Item number 1. So for item number 1, find the 16th term. So we need to find for the 16th term of the given sequence 1, 5, 9, 13. So we need to find for the 16th term or a sub 16. So a sub 1 here is positive 1, and then n is equal to 16, so the 16 terms, and then the common difference. So the common difference can be found by subtracting 5 and 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. So that is the common difference. Now using the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So I have a sub 16 is equal to a sub 1 is 1 plus 16 minus 1 times 4. We have a sub 16 is equal to 1 plus 16 minus 1 is 15 times 4. So using m-dash rule, we need to multiply first 15 and 4. 15 times 4 is 60. And then add 1 and 60. A sub 16 therefore is 61. So therefore, the 16th term is 61. So you can now answer the rest of the activity.